Hi everyone, today we are practicing day 5. Let's try to give some good stretch to the back. Let's get started. Before you start your practice, make sure that you complete your regular warm-up, Surya Namaskara and other basic stretches. So let's begin with the class. Before we start the session, sit comfortably, keep your spine straight, turn your palm up towards the ceiling. Now close your eyes, take a deep breath in and deep breathe out. Gently open your eyes and let's start. Let's start with a sitting posture today. You're going to bend your knee, keep your spine straight, place your both the hands down. Keep your palm facing forward, and if you feel it is not comfortable, if you want to keep your hands out, you can do this also. But I would prefer if you can keep your hands front. Open up your shoulder. Keep your heels slightly away from the hip. Now, as you breathe in, you're going to lift your hip up. Keep your neck relaxed. As you breathe out, place your hip down. Lift your toe up. Let your heel be on the ground. Inhale, lift your hands up straight. Gently try to bring your chest closer to the thighs and then hold your big toe. If it is super comfortable, keep your legs straight and stay here. If you feel it is too easy, then stretch your legs. If not, you can keep your knee bent. In the beginning itself, don't start with a straight leg, start with a bent knee, it's going to be easy. Now, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, drop your hip down in between both the palm, toe pointing out, up. Exhale, bend forward. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Inhale, lift your hands up straight. Third one. Spine up. Spine down in between both the palm. Extend your leg forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend forward. Be in a position in the forward bend where you feel a lot of stretch in the hamstrings. That's important. Fourth one. Bend your knee. Inhale up. Exhale, drop your hands down. Inhale, hip up. Feel your shoulders being stretched. Exhale, drop your hands down. Inhale your hands up straight. Exhale, do a forward bend. Take a long breath in, long breathe out. Last one. Hands goes all the way up. Drop your hands down. Bend your knee. Let's try to hold in each posture for about 3 counts. Inhale up. 3, 2, 1. Drop your hip down. Keep your toe up. Inhale up. Exhale, bend forward, spine straight. Stretch your legs forward. See what is your maximum capacity. Eyes closed. 3, 2, 1. Gently lift your hands up, drop your hands down. Keep your both the legs into Sukhasana. Extend forward, take your hands on the floor and come to full plank. Take a deep breath in, deep breathe out. Hold your posture into full plank. Wrist and shoulder is in one line. 3, 2, 1. Now lift your hip up, drop your heels down. Push your shoulders down. Breathe in, breathe out. Look forward in between both the palm. You're going to bring your right leg in between both the palm. Okay. Half of warrior 3, Virabhadrasana variation 3. Continue to keep your hands down on the floor. Now lift your leg up. Bring your hands forward, toe pointing outside. Try to hold.
Keep your hip and the heel, back heel on one line. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now drop your back leg down on tip of the toe. Balance on your back toe as well as front leg.
90-degree front knee, try to hold. 5, 4, front leg should be 90-degree, back knee should be straight. 3, 2, 1. Slowly drop your hands shoulder level and then place it on the hip. Keep your both the legs straight. Now properly make sure that your right side leg is pointing outside, shoulder is in center. You're gonna continue to bend your knee one more time. Both the hands shoulder level, left hand on the left thigh behind, right hand try to take it over the right ear, stretch it out, stay. So the more you take your hand back, your front leg will keep going down to 90-degree. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now right hand right next to the right foot on the ground. Both the hands are in one line. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand down. Take your leg back to full plank. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift your hip up. Drop your heel down. Shoulders down. Continue to give a lot of stretch in the back and the shoulders. 3, 2, 1. Gently bring your left leg in between both the palm now. Lift your back leg off the mat into half warrior 3, toe pointing outside. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your front leg into 90-degree. Back toe on the floor. Front leg is 90-degree. Inhale. Lift your hands up straight. Exhale. Continue to hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands on the waist. Stand up straight. Be comfortable. Let your left leg be wherever it is. Keep your other leg outside, right leg. So previously we did the opposite side. Now we have kept the opposite leg in the front. Just to balance both the leg one by one. Now you are going to bend your knee 90-degree. Both the hands shoulder level. Now right hand is on the right thigh. Extend your hand, left hand near the left ear and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your left hand right in front of the left leg. Right hand up in the straight line with the other hand. Stay here. 5. Keep your hip down closer to the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your hand down. Take your leg back to full plank. Stay here. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Get ready to jump into Malasan. Inhale, prepare yourself. Exhale, jump forward, come to Malasan. Now settle down into the posture, keep your back straight. Take a deep inhale, exhale, relax yourself. Now from here, you are going to take your one hand behind the hip, you have to tilt a little. Keep it on the floor. Open up your chest to the front. Inhale, try lifting your hip all the way up, extend how much ever you can. Exhale, come back to Malasan. Inhale, exhale. Now other hand, inhale up, exhale, come back. We have done one set. 2, second set, left hand goes back, inhale up, exhale, come back to Malasan. Right hand goes back, inhale up, exhale, come back to Malasan. Third one, left hand back, inhale up, exhale back. Right hand, inhale up, exhale, come back. Last 2 sets. Fourth one, left hand back, inhale up, exhale, come back. Right hand back, inhale up, exhale, come back. Last set, left hand, inhale up, exhale, come back. Now the last one, 5th round, you can repeat the same thing, right side go up and come back. Now I would want to get into Chakrasana from there. For those who wants to do a deeper advanced movement, they can add Chakrasana just the way I am doing. Otherwise, so far the way we did, just go back and come back. Inhale up. From here, you can get into Chakrasana if you are comfortable. Feel the stretch. Slowly drop your hip down. Bend your knee to the chest. Even if you don't do the Chakrasana, please lie down on your back, bend your knee to the chest. Close your eyes, take a deep inhale. Deep exhale. Roll back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to Sukhasana. I am pretty sure you would have felt your thighs properly, and I won't be surprised if your thighs are burning, which is a good sign. The more you practice such movements, the more you get your body stronger, you will start feeling also lesser. So whatever you're feeling right now, it's a good sign. Continue to practice even after this. Now quickly let's try to get our body relaxed. Sit back into Sukhasana, eyes closed. Kindly keep your back straight, relax your forehead. Slow breathe in and slow breathe out. Slow and a long breath in, long breath out. Gently bring your both the palm together, rub your both the palm, make it warm. Drop it on your eyes and face. Open your eyes and look into your palm. Thank you. I hope you feel better. If you enjoy practicing with me, don't forget to like the video and drop your experience in the comment box. Thank you so much.